Hey, welcome back again. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing again. Got some more Johnny Lightning hot rods here. Got it's called a Bad Bird. Let's see, let's light there. They're from the 1997. Anyway, it looks like they're from the 1997 era. Got the Bad Bird. Got a black interior. And we got the Rumbler. Guess that must be the Rambler wagon. And then we got two cars here called the Frankenstud. Got a hot rod, and we got a hot rod White Lightning. The original. Ultra rare bonus car. Now I'm not sure what the difference in these cars is. Is anybody out there that knows anything about them? Well, there'd be two different packages with the same car. I'd appreciate it if you let me know. But anyway, like I said, anybody out there knows what the deal is with these two cars, I appreciate it. If you let me know. In the meantime, appreciate you watching. Got more coming. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing, please. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Thanks.